Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about pellets, from what they are to their benefits and impact on your bird. Pellets are formulated diets. They are made specifically for the needs of each bird type. They contain a blend of grains, seeds, fruits and vegetables. Pellets also include all the needed levels of vitamins, minerals, protein and fat. They also contain other nutrients that your bird needs. Pellets provide a much better balance of nutrients than seeds. They are also a better option for your bird's health. This is because they offer complete and balanced nutrition for your bird's particular species. Most small birds will show interest in eating pellets within a week of daily sessions. It is best to choose a pellet with few or no artificial colours or flavours. Most parrot owners have found that their birds love a combination of foods. This is along with their pellets such as nutriberries, avi cakes and various fruits and vegetables. Pellets should ideally represent approximately 75 to 80% of the bird's diet. There are many good brands of pelleted foods in the market. If you find that your bird won't eat pellets, it is best that you try grinding pellets into a fine powder and sprinkle it over its favourite foods. So when you feed the powder-coated fruit or vegetable, your bird has to taste the pellets. Over time, grind the pellets coarser and coarser until your bird is just eating the pellets. If you found this video informative, then please subscribe to my channel. Please leave any queries or questions in the comments below. Other than that, thank you for watching and like for more bird related videos.